Have you seen these types of videos? This channel is pulling in millions of views with content that's super easy to recreate. According to Social Blade, they're making anywhere from $6,000 to $90,000 a month. Those are some insane numbers. What's even crazier is that this channel hit 2.5 million followers with just 28 uploads. That's just unbelievable. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like that and rack up millions of views yourself. First, we'll start by generating prompts using ChatGPT. I've prepared a blueprint prompt document that describes the cartoony style images we want to create, so you can use it to recreate any story effortlessly. I've also included a blueprint request for ChatGPT that you can use as well. Feel free to steal it. I'll leave all the prompts and requests in the description for you. Now, we're going to paste our blueprint request and fill in the blanks with the story description we want. In our case, it's about a rabbit saving a turtle. The next step is to provide ChatGPT with a reference prompt style at the end. After that, you'll end up with something like this. Just look. ChatGPT gives us a complete storyline along with ready-to-use text-to-image prompts. It's that easy. Once our prompts are ready, we'll head over to Leonardo AI to generate our images. Click on Image Creation, then copy and paste each prompt from our list one by one into the generation bar. I'd recommend adding negative prompts as well to improve the quality of the results. Make sure to select the latest Phoenix 1.0 version for the best output. It offers amazing quality. You can choose an image style from the list, but I'll go with cinematic for that high-quality look. Also, don't forget to set the 9:16 aspect ratio to fit both TikTok and YouTube Shorts perfectly. Once everything is set, just hit Generate. We'll repeat this process for all the prompts that ChatGPT generated. Take a look at our first results. The quality is top-notch, and I think they look incredible. Pick the ones you like best, download them, and we're all set to move on to the next step. Animation. To animate our images, we'll be using Kling AI. Make sure you have the images you like downloaded and ready to go. To create smooth and realistic animations, we'll need high-quality prompts. For that, we'll head back to ChatGPT, upload the images in the chat along with the request you see on the screen, and hit Enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated separate animation prompts for each image. That's exactly what we need. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to start the animation process. Upload the image to Kling AI, copy the specific animation prompt for that image, and paste it into the prompt box. Here are the settings I used for this generation. If I were you, I'd recommend adding negative prompts like blur, low quality, and distortion to make sure the outcome is sharp and clean. Repeat this process for the rest of the images. And here are the results. Just take a look. I think they turned out amazing. Honestly, even better than the original we were trying to recreate. The best part? We didn't even have to do multiple generations to get this quality. While we wait for the videos to generate, let me introduce you to a huge opportunity you won't want to miss. We've built the best AI content creation course on the internet, where I share all my secret strategies and viral prompts that help me reach 1.5 million followers across social media, gain over 100 million views, and earn thousands of dollars through TikTok and YouTube monetization. Thanks to the AI Content Starter Kit, one of my clients went from 500 views to a staggering 2 to 5 million. By joining us, you'll also get access to the best AI community while it's still free. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to learn more. Now it's time to edit everything in CapCut and add some atmosphere to our video story. Start by bringing all your animated clips into a CapCut project and arrange them in a logical story order. Next, we'll look for some transitions to make the scene changes feel seamless and dramatic. I'll tweak the duration of the transitions a bit to get that perfect flow. To enhance the atmosphere, I went with a black screen transition. It adds a nice touch of suspense. You can also add out animations to make the transitions even smoother and more dramatic. To give our video a unique touch, we'll generate voiceovers for our characters. For that, I found the perfect AI tool. It's called Dub AI. They offer a ton of awesome features like AI avatars, instant avatar cloning, instant voice cloning, voice translation, and much more. For this video, we'll focus on their AI voiceover feature. Inside, you'll find 700 plus different voices to choose from. One thing I love about Dub is their customization options. You can even change the emotion of your character's voice.
Hello. Let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait. Hello. Let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait. Hello. Let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Check this out. You can adjust the pitch of your character's voice, which is pretty amazing. I'll go with the Israeli voice and choose a sad emotion for a certain phrase. On the same page, you can type in the script you want to hear. Just click the purple button to generate the voice.
Somebody help me.
You can also adjust the speed of the voiceover for a more natural feel.
Please, somebody help me.
I really like how it turned out. The result sounds incredible. Let's download it and add it to our CapCut project.
Please, somebody help me.
Now that we've learned how to generate voiceovers, it's time to add some sad background music to give our video a more emotional feel. For this, you can use the audio library in CapCut and simply type in sad background music. I really like this sad piano track. Let's go with it and adjust the volume a bit to blend it smoothly with the voiceovers. Now our video has a touch of sadness to it. Next, let's add some sound effects to enhance the storytelling.
Help me.
For the first frame, we need a car crash sound effect to set the scene. The goal here is to convey the story through sound effects and voiceovers without relying too much on dialogue. To find the right effect, we'll use the CapCut library again. I think this one sounds natural. Let's go with it and adjust it to sync perfectly with the clip transitions. Looks great so far. Now let's add transitions between all clips. I'm thinking of using the black fade transition for a smooth and cinematic feel. Let's apply it to all the clips. Next, let's head back to Dub to generate a voiceover for our rabbit.
Oh no, poor turtle. Let me help you.
I think this voice fits perfectly with the clip, and thanks to the emotion feature in Dub, we can really convey the sadness of our rabbit. Now let's add some ambient sounds for the next clip.
Turtle.
A walking on grass sound effect should set the scene nicely. In the following clip, we'll need a burning fire sound to match the action. For these, we'll use the CapCut library again. Just follow the same process for each clip. For the next part, let's add a different voiceover for the father of our turtle, who is relieved and happy to see his child return home. I think the Rastian voice is a good fit, so let's go with that.
Hello. Let's turn ideas into reality together.
I feel like we should
Don't wait.
switch to a sad emotion to match the scene's tone.
We were so worried, son. I am happy that you are okay.
Yes, this version sounds so much better. It really fits the scene perfectly. Now for our final scene, let's add a voiceover where the turtle thanks the rabbit for saving it. This time we'll use the happy emotion in Dub to add a touch of relief and gratitude to the dialogue.
Thank you, Rabbit. This is for you.
That sounds amazing, exactly the tone we need. Our video is finally complete. All that's left to do is export it in 4K and 60 FPS to get the best quality possible. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Please, somebody help me. Oh no, poor turtle. Let me help you.
We were so worried, son. I am happy that you are okay.
Thank you, Rabbit. This is for you.